Hey y'all, still working on iHog today. Just gonna be working on those sliders and trying to get that up and down and working and all that good stuff. We're still gonna have music in the background, all that good stuff like we normally do. Since it's December, we're still in holiday mode here. And let's hop in. Cool. So we have the iPad here. The only reason I'm doing it on the iPad and not the phone is because I'm working in the vertical slider. Once I get the vertical sliders worked out, I'll hop back into that, to the horizontal, and then we'll go and fix the phone instead of fixing the iPad. I brought back these fader levels here, and these fader levels are going to be really useful in troubleshooting just because as I bring it up, we'll start to see them change. So it'll be helpful to see them change. Granted, I have nothing to bring it back down yet, but that's okay. So I was working on this a little bit last night, trying to figure out what exactly needs to be done, like how we need to fix this. Fader level. One was just real. Oops. One was was just real too much up and down. So we're gonna try that a little bit different here. Is less than or equal to 110, right? No, so it'd be greater than or equal to 110. So the weird thing is 110 is your minimum level, so that's the level at the bottom, versus negative 110, which would be what I would assume at the bottom, but it's just not like that right now. So I'm gonna fix that. I mean, I'm not gonna fix that. So else if no value is greater than or equal to 110, that is basically just gonna be like if it we're just gonna set that to 110. Hi, Cairo. And then if it's is less than or equal to negative 110, that's when we're going to do a fader level equals negative 110. Subtract for higher value. Add for higher value. Whoops. And we're just gonna let it be the double of new value. All right, and then we're gonna go into here underneath playback. Well, now it follows a lot better. I guess I should check for those first and then it'll fall down, right? Yeah. Because we really need to check if it's greater than or equal to 110 first. And then if it's not, that's where we can start doing our new value things. All right, let's do playback. Yeah, because now we can't go any lower. And I can't go any higher. Awesome, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay, I think the only thing that I would want to do here is at state private var fader value out. Fader value console fader value, that's what I'll call it. And that's also going to be a double equals 0.0. Great. So if it's less than fader level, this is when we need to So this, I should have marked this better. Fader moves up is what I really should have done instead of add for higher. That doesn't make sense. Fader moves down. Okay. So with fader moving up, then we need to add to that console fader value. And I can delete that actually here. And then we'll do a print of console fader value. Playback. Here we go. Oh, but I don't know which one's which. Okay, I do. Well, duh, because I'm only increasing by 110. Plus 1. Oh, that was... So I also figured out some math. Times 1.159, I think is what I want. Console value. Console fader value. New value. Ooh, no, no, no. That is way too high. Okay. Well. Oh, and you see that's plus 0.5. So that's only moving from 0 to 110. Then we add 0.5. Oh, no, 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 no. So I think it should be this. I think I have my order of operations wrong. I could be wrong here. I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is a lot of math of just trying and failing and just seeing what I can actually do. Okay, we're gonna do playback again. Okay, so we still got up way too high. I didn't think it would be this hard. No, no. Times 1.159. Let's try this now. Playback. But that doesn't necessarily work. Because we crossed from the 0 and a 0 threshold. I mean, I really just need like 0. This is where I was like, math is hard. Like, see, math is hard. This was like my scratch pad last night while I was trying to figure out my crap. Let's see what else we can do here to try and make it better. Oh, because that was just equal to... Console fader value equals 0. Console fader value equals 255. No, damn. Okay. Let's just see if I can get this to work correctly. Basically, it's just going to increase by 1. 10. Yep. Let's see. Okay. All right. It's like in the middle. And smell. It should be. No, that's right. Okay. So I finally got the like plus and minuses correct to kind of match up correctly. Times 1.159. So I have a special little project I've been working on outside of iHog. That's just like been mine. Oh, okay, 6. Nope, and it just got way too high. Like, how did we get from... See, it's only printing every half value anyway. I think that's the wrong number that I'm adding on. I think this needs to be new value. No. Fader value. Fader level. Fader level doesn't make sense though. I think I need an absolute fader level. The point of the absolute fader level will let me go from 0 will be my negative, it would be my 110 to 220, which will be my positive, my positive 110 or whatever it is. No, 110 to negative 110. And what this will allow me to do is actually add an increment there, and that's the number that I need to multiply to get that console fader level out, because the console fader level is from 0 to 255. So the fader level is going to go from 110 at the bottom to 0 to negative 110 at the top. So the absolute fader level is going to count all the steps in between 110 to negative 110. Yeah. Double equals 0.0. We're gonna start off again here. And whenever it's this, we're gonna do absolute fader level equals at the bottom here it's gonna equal is it 220 that I said was the highest? Yeah. 220, and up here it's gonna equal 0. Cool. And then we'll do absolute fader level And that's gonna be equals absolute fader level plus 0.5, I think. Print absolute fader level fader level moves down, so then that's when we subtract. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what this correlation is because it needs to be outputting for the other device to be 0 to 255. So why is that only 22.5 there? And we're still at, now we're at 36.5. See, it's not subtracting correctly. Or the new value is not printing out every single time. Every single time it moves, which could also be the case. Value.location y. Can we just print? Value.location.y. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens there, because who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? See, this is still just printing 96.5. Is it adding first? Yeah, it adds, and then it does the math. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. We're just gonna move it up. Okay, we have 125.00. Why is it even moving from 125.0? Like, okay. 124.00, 123.00, 122.00. I mean, that's all right so far. We haven't moved any. 99.5, 99.5, 99.0. Well, let's see. Because they should be in sync once the new value is 110.0, 0.0. Oh, look, it actually skipped from 108.5. Okay, so I'm thinking that we're not doing something right. Obviously, something is not correct here. We know that because it's not working right. Okay, so I'm obviously doing something, not doing something right where I'm not comparing the fader level and the new value because obviously, I mean, apparently this isn't running literally on every change. It's only happening on some changes because like we can see from the new values here, we go from 108.5 to 106. Like, And obviously by only plus and minus 0.5, like we're not doing anything. So I think, I need to figure out why that's happening. I think this is all what I need to do correctly. Let me go ahead and comment that out. So we know that if the fader level, if the new value is less than the fader level, the fader is moving up. Yes. So what I need to do here is if the it's moving up, so that means that new value is going to be greater than fader value. No, new value is less than fader value. Should I get the difference between the new value and the fader level? Fader level minus double. I don't know. Math is hard sometimes. I don't know. Fader level is 8. I mean, sorry, I'm not even printing anything. Oh, yeah. See, that was 0.5. Okay, so starting at the beginning, we have 116 as a new value. Where's the 110? $110 is our new value here, so that's really where we care. So that's 0.5. 0.5. So it's literally just not printing every time because it's just overflowed at that point. Okay. I get it. I mean, I understand why, I guess. Like, it's just stomping over and over and over again. Like, like, it might not have enough time to run this. But we're gonna go ahead and try something real quick. Okay, so in this one, new value is going to be greater than double value. Then new value is going to be greater than fader value. I subtract. Yeah, I think this is right. I might be getting my math wrong. But we'll find out. We'll find out what's happening there. All right, playback. That should be around 127. That's close-ish. Okay, I'm getting closer. Now, this is where I usually mess everything up, is I do this. And now, if I uncomment this part, I think it might be right. Let's see. Playback. Oh, something's not right. Is that fader? dumping that. Okay. I keep like missing the mark where I'm trying to go. Okay, I mean that's like really close to 127. So now I should be able to take this down. See, but now it's only increasing. It's still increasing and it should be decreasing. See, that absolute fader value level went up and it should be going down. I think I have my math wrong here because we're probably doing a positive number minus another positive number. I wonder if there's like math dot absolute. Absolute absolute value Swift. I like that I don't even have to finish like typing out Swift, and like Google has just learned that I like Swift and that's what I want to program in. And my coffee is cold. Oh, goodness. That's why I really shouldn't pick up my phone during all of this. But that's okay. All right. So absolute, that's what we need. And it's just ABS. All right. And let's do playback. Ooh, look, it's going down now. So we can see here that as I bring the faders down, it's going down. Down, down. Awesome. Let's clear it out real quick. Let me make this pretty big here. All right. And around there, we should get about half, which, yeah, we did. I mean, at one... Around there, that's perfect. Up. As long as, and then also, so it looks like I got that one solved. So as long as, like, at the very top, I'm setting out 255. At the bottom, I'm setting out 0. And we're getting values in between. Basically, I'm happy. So now... We're gonna go ahead and take out these print statements. Because I don't need them. If anything, they're just gonna slow down like the calc. Okay. The only thing now is left to do will be to output OSC. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that as a to-do here. Vertical slider works. Let's go into GitHub real quick. Do that a lot. Megan Wilson / iHog 4. If you want to find out what I'm working on, you can and get to this GitHub repo, you can type in the chat and put / working, and it should link you to the GitHub repo. Yeah. There should be some what is it? Some commands wow. There should be some commands in the description. Issues. I know there was an issue for this. Ignore the webhook test. Haptic feedback. Playback panel. There we go. That's what was in progress. And also, I do have a Notion doc going. Let's go look at it real quick. iHog for? Um, in progress, issue number 10. Yeah. Okay, great. I should just be paying attention to this Notion link just because like this is going to be what I'm actually working off of. The GitHub issues are all labeled there as well though correctly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and source control commit. And then we're going to say vertical sliders work for issue number 10. Need to work on horizontal sliders now. Great, and those are in. So let's go find horizontal slider. And I'm gonna actually split this. Yeah. And that way we can have vertical slider here on the left. We have the horizontal slider here on the right. It's basically the same thing. So let's figure out what I need here first. Go away. Private bar. Console fader. Value. Double equals 0.0 at state private bar absolute fader level, and basically it's pretty much going to be a copy and paste, I think. Equals 0.0. Yeah, because I believe this is right. Let me run this, and it would be a iPhone. Should give me my sliders, my my horizontal sliders. So we were looking at vertical sliders up and down, horizontal go left to right instead. Oh, I know, I quit it. Oh, there it is. I just want to make sure my face isn't going to cover it here. There we go. Back. Playback. Oh, I'm not outputting anything. Duh. Print value. Okay, back and playback. Oh, value dot location dot x. Yeah. So then that's gonna be, well, obviously I can keep going, but okay. Great, that's what I thought would happen. I'm gonna try to just copy and paste this, and if it works, then that is so awesome. And if not, well, then I'll have some work to do. I mean, it built, so that's always a good sign. Awesome. One thing I want to check first. Back. Playback. And I want that to be console fader value. And this text right here that I added, that red red value on the fader, that's just for troubleshooting. Notice I commented out on that vertical. It just makes it easier right now while I don't have any of the OSC hooked up, so I can't communicate back and forth to make sure it's actually physically working. I can do it here and see. Okay, so it's just working opposite of what I thought. Oh, because 110 is max. Let's try that now. Oh, the fader value should equal -110. Yeah, that should be right now. Playback. Nope, and I did the exact, I just flopped it. So if the new value is less than or equal to 110. Oh, it's because everything is literally swapped. So can I just do this? Let's find out. Okay, back. Play back. Nope. That's fine once I get to actually that. Like it subtracts correctly. I don't think this is gonna do it, but we'll see. I just know I had to like flip-flop some things. Way back. Oh look, now we have numbers going. That's about right. Alright, when we're good. The horizontal now works as well. Awesome. And that was issue number 10. We're gonna commit that, get that added in. What time is it? Oh, cool. Issue number 10 works. Well, hold on. I need to actually add that to do in here. Oh, and I gotta / that. And let's comment this out. And I don't need this print value anymore. We'll go ahead and just comment it out as well, rather than completely delete. Now we can source control, commit. Works for horizontal. Only need to add OSC now. Okay. What's next? This is, I think it's done. Yeah, awesome. So we can change this from progress to done. All right. I actually need to add an acquit group filter. Add a filter where priority is beta blocker. All right, looks like all I have to do is add OSC. So I actually use a third-party like library to actually get OSC in. It's 740. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out like if I want to do this necessarily. Right now, usually I only go for about an hour on these streams. So let's see. Swift OSC. I would love at some point to actually understand how Well, hold on. This might actually be exactly... This might be something different. I actually think I know this guy. Like, in real life. I do! Hey! Okay, anyway. I trust his Swift stuff. I, like, work with him in the day job. Let's see. Take bundle are notified when an OSC bundle is received, so that embedded messages. Let's just see how easy it is, because if it's this easy and if it's and it looks like a Swift package manager, which is great, and I don't have to deal with Cocoa pods. So I think I'll message him later today. So we have our interface, the host, the port, and whether or not we're going to use TCP, which ours would equal false. Like, we don't have to equal TCP. I'm assuming that you can use TCP without that. A delegate. Good connect. So take would be a received, and then if we want to send, it's send. Let message. I mean, that seems easy enough. With, and then you pass in the OSC message pattern, like the pattern. So like, this would be /hog for, or /hog /playback. Then we have, that seems easy enough. Issue, let's see what the issues are. I think this might be something worth looking into. Let's see if there's a license and what the license wants. Oh, hey, Cynthia. Welcome. You actually popped up for the stream today. Nice. Thank you for dropping in. I appreciate it. I'm just trying to figure out another package that I can use in my app so that I don't have to write the OSC stuff myself, because I don't know how. I'll be honest, I don't know how to do any of that networking stuff. I know how to put things together, and I know how to make things happen on screen. But other than that, I don't really know how to do the OSC side of things. But I think this is what I want to do. And I've also never added a package via package manager or anything. So let's add the package dependency to our Xcode project. Let's see how that works. To add a package dependency file, Swift projects, add package dependency. Oh, duh. Okay. Yeah, I added it. Instead of adding a repo, you can search. That's cool. Cool. Up to, I think that's what I need, right? And then I think I just import it. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so easy like that. Let's see what happens. I'm super excited. I am going to pause right now. I will be back tomorrow, Thursday at same time, same place, Thursday, 6:45 a.m. CST, YouTube, Twitch, find me there. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.